might be hung up on your dip.
Yeah. This is an overview of our route. It's not precise, but it shows a general view. We started at Chase Gulch Reservoir and went over to Kingston Peak Road. We followed that road and had some awesome views of Kingston and James Peaks. We came down into the town of Alice where Tom decided to head home. Matt and I continued up the hill and got an awesome view of the remains of St. Mary's Glacier. We continued on past Yankee Hill and ultimately headed over to Moon Gulch, where we took Highway 119, stopped and aired up our tires, then headed home.
I'm going to put it 4 low right away because this is definitely going to be a 4 low trail. Definitely.
Might be hung up on your dip.
Yeah.
Hang on, you're hung up here. Hold it.
Yeah,
Let me see what you're hung up on. No, you're not on your dip. That's your belly pan.
Am I stuck on it or am I just...
Yeah, you're just on your belly pan here a little bit. See if you can back up a little teeny bit. No, keep it straight. Yeah. Back up. There you go. Keep going. There you go. Keep coming back. There we go. Hold on right.
Agreed.
Exactly what I was thinking. out by itself. Sure, Jed, isn't it? Holy crap.
That sounds close.
Here's another one. Can't even see him. Too many trees.
See that?
Woo! You good in there? If they can get by, I'm good. Okay.
Enough that I didn't sink in, but I'm sure I got some slop on my tires that'll start kicking around as soon as I pick up speed.
Probably.
Should just be able to take it slow.